Brought to you direct from Studio 3B at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, the American Hardwood Advisor is your source for trends, tips, and insights into how the building industry has evolved. Join me, Steve Stack, along with guest builders and industry leaders as we talk shop and go in depth on what it takes to be the best of the best. Dive into topics like architecture, industry trends, project plans, historical tools, tricks of the trade, and life's lessons from more than 6 decades of experience in the hardwood lumber business. Hey folks, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods out of Canfield, Ohio, for another edition of American Hardwood Advisor. And they left us travel again, and we're not in Canfield, we're not at Studio 3B, we're in Linesville, Pennsylvania on our third build of season 2 with Renovation Hunters outdoor channel. And my buddy, my friend, Christy Miller of Oak Hill Millworks. How you doing, hon?
Doing great. Feeling good. I'm happy for the breeze right now.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Nice change.
Mm-hmm.
So, here we are, Linesville, our 6th build with Renovation Hunters.
Yep.
In the partnership of Renovation Hunters, Outdoor Channel, Baird Brothers, and Oak Hill Millworks. Where has 2 years gone?
They've kept us busy and time has flown by, that's for sure. We just keep chasing each other around the globe, right?
We've been as far as Nebraska, Virginia, Pennsylvania, our 2nd time now.
Yep.
Virginia twice.
Michigan.
Forgot about Baldwin, Michigan, yeah. What's your takeaway about all this?
I think I probably didn't have a clue of what we were getting into when we first signed on to this. But the fact that we've been able to get to where we are now, right? I mean, as a team, all the learning curves from when we started to now being able to communicate a little bit more fluidly, kind of start to understand the expectations for what we can actually accomplish in these short 8 days. I think it's just starting to run a little bit more smoothly.
See, we can't back off the gas on that. We have to keep elevating our expectations, because you're right, as a group from Hyannis, Nebraska, almost 2 years ago,
yeah,
to today, everybody, from Come On Media to Renovation Hunters to Outdoor Channel, I'll include them, to Baird, and to every member of the cast and crew, yourself included, it's been a little bit of an evolution in that.
Absolutely.
There was a learning curve, but we're coming out of the curve and it's starting to work. It's starting to work real well. And as long as we keep that expectation up there, we'll continue to grow, and you take the projects, that we look back on, and Baldwin, Michigan, we might as well have framed a house.
Yeah, that was a lot, and we all underestimated that one, being that it was only around 400 square foot.
Right.
We thought, knock this one out, but it almost knocked us out.
As far as Baird Brothers are concerned, with our product line, you guys, not too long ago, were installing hardwood flooring.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That
was awesome. I love that.
Right.
That was my first time doing that.
Right. And that's it. We're learning, we're introducing new tasks and new challenges. I've never been so well at demo as I am now.
And this one, though, not.
This was a nice clean demo.
Yeah.
This was a nice clean demo, but just in general, we've all went outside of our comfort zones.
Yeah.
Out of necessity.
Mm-hmm. Have to, because you have to do whatever you have to do to get it done. And it's been interesting to me because I've actually seen a couple products from your line that I hadn't seen before. So it's kind of nice that we're learning some new skills, and at the same time, we're introducing new products and new like design features.
Right.
So we're still, like you said, raising that expectation, kind of new challenges. But in the meantime, we're improving on the existing ones. So that's been fun to see.
I heard rumor that an old friend of yours, a new friend of mine, might be popping in this afternoon.
Oh, did you hear that?
I did.
Oh, I thought that was a surprise. Who let that cat slip out of the bag?
One of the bosses.
Oh, is he a little guy?
No, no, not actually. Oh. But
yeah, tonight.
where I'm going with that is, how fun is it of the relationships we've built with these different homeowners?
Yeah.
All of them different in their own right.
Mm-hmm.
All of them tied back to generations of family hunting, fishing, camping, recreation, outdoor recreation. And it'll be fun to see this one.
The fact that they're still coming along for the ride. They didn't just get their involvement and then be done. They wanted to continue supporting what we're doing. So
yeah, and we've seen it over and over again.
Mm-hmm.
The Joyce family, another good example.
Yeah,
you know, the folks that we just left up in Baldwin.
Yeah,
they're going to be around.
It's like I'm still keeping in touch with people from Hyannis.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's pretty unique.
Oak Hill Millworks and BairdBrothers Fine Hardwoods just had an anniversary.
Yeah, we did. It's been we just hit our 3 year.
We got off to a rolling start, having fun.
Yeah.
And then one of my partners decided to move to Indiana.
Sorry about that.
and we went into a little plateau.
Yeah.
But we're going to ramp it up again, aren't we?
We're going to ramp it up. We have work to do. I don't think the 5 hour difference in location anymore is enough to keep us apart.
Oh, you want to move farther away?
That's not what I meant. I meant it's doable. Because you guys, your trucks go all over the U.S. Why can't they?
Our trucks go within a 110-mile radius of Canfield.
That's all over the U.S. That's everywhere.
But
it's only 360 to me.
Yeah.
Or actually, it's less than that. So
well, we do offer services, LTL freight, all over the United States. You are right about that.
Yeah, I was going to say. Our friends out in California just got a nice package from you guys.
What are you up to? I know you reached out and said, hey, you want to work with me on this? Let the people, what you want to give out, go ahead and share with the folks.
Yeah, well, it's always, so since we just bought the new house in Indiana, we have 2,400 square feet that need to be updated. And since work is how I spend the majority of my time, first on the list, besides setting up the workshop, of course, is a home office renovation. So it's also going to be a guest bedroom, but I did not want a bed down at all times, so I'm doing a Murphy bed. I also picked up some really beautiful French doors on Marketplace. And so I want to do like a really pretty casing around it, which I think I know a guy that might help me design that and choose some special pieces from Baird, if that sounds like it might be in your wheelhouse. I'm looking forward to that because I want that grand entrance into my office.
Grand entrance.
Right, it's time to go to work. You just open those doors, right? They just parade in. Hello, I'm here to work. I don't have coworkers, so it's just me. But yeah, so we got the casing around the French doors. I'm gonna hopefully get into some red oak with you guys and do a countertop with some built-ins. Of course, my room needs baseboard, so yeah, a lot of home renovations to follow, but that's the one I'm focusing on for right now.
So you're going to approach that as some how-to?
Absolutely.
And some product introduction? Mm-hmm. All the different products you've used through the course of your build? Sounds like fun. How can we follow that?
You can follow along directly on Instagram with Oak Hill Millworks. And I'm not sure if I'm going to YouTube with these projects or not yet, but to watch and find out.
Very good.
Yeah.
Buddy.
Thank you.
Friend.
Always a pleasure.
Thanks for jumping in.
Absolutely.
The talk seat.
Hopefully I didn't get paint on you during that handshake.
We're good.
Let's try.
Folks, Christy, Oak Hill Millworks, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers from Linesville, Pennsylvania. A few more days, we'll get to head home.
We're going to knock it out.
Okay? Stay tuned, guys. Some more fun stuff coming up.
For all you folks listening, thanks for talking shop with Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. If you've enjoyed this episode and want to stay up to date with the American Hardwood Advisor series, give us a like and subscribe. For more tips, projects, and inspiration, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or at BairdBrothers.com. Until next time,